Hi, I'm Dr. Kottapalli Suprada, urogynecologist and cosmetic gynecologist at Akineni Hospitals, Vijayawada. Now, I want to ask you something and I want you to be honest with yourself. Have you ever laughed really hard, sneezed, or picked up something heavy and leaked a little? If you just nodded, I want you to know you're not alone and more importantly, you're not broken. 1 in 3 women experiences bladder leakage at some point in their life. 1 in 3. That's your neighbor, your colleague, your amma, maybe even you. And yet, most women suffer in silence because they think it's just part of getting older or having babies. Andariki ila untundi ani, everyone goes through it. So why talk about it? But just because something is common doesn't mean you have to live with it. That's exactly why I want to tell you about something we now have right here at Akineni, the Emcella chair. Yes, it's literally a chair. You sit down fully clothed, you don't change, you don't get undressed, there's no surgery, no needles, no downtime. What the chair does is deliver thousands of precise electromagnetic pulses to your pelvic floor muscles, the muscles responsible for bladder control. In just one 28-minute session, those muscles contract the equivalent of 11,000 Kegel exercises. Now, be honest, how many of us are actually doing our Kegels every day? Exactly. The pelvic floor weakens over time, after childbirth, during menopause, or simply with age. When it weakens, the bladder doesn't get the support it needs, and that's when leakage happens. The Emcella chair essentially retrains and strengthens those muscles from the inside out without you doing a single thing except sitting comfortably and maybe catching up on a message or two. Most women notice a real difference after just 2 to 3 sessions. We typically recommend a course of 6 sessions scheduled twice a week. And the results? Stronger bladder control, better confidence, and honestly, a better quality of life. You can laugh freely again, you can sneeze without worry. That matters. This is not a gimmick. This is clinically proven, internationally recognized technology, and we are proud to bring it to the women of Vijayawada. If any of this resonates with you, please don't hesitate. Come and consult with us at Akineni Hospitals, Vijayawada. We have the latest non-invasive electromagnetic devices for the entire family, from pelvic health to body sculpting to skin rejuvenation. You can learn more about our EM suite on our website at akinenihospital.in. We are here to help. Thank you.